Hey, what's up guys? So today I'm going to be doing a different video today. I'm going to be doing an oil change on my car. It's my BMW 325i and there's my truck, the Ranger. So today I'm going to do the oil change. I have all the supplies right here. I have the oil, I have my tools, my jack, and yeah, let's get to it. I don't have all the right tools, so I'm looking through all my toolboxes, my tool bags, to see if I can find a wrench. And I found this one, so we'll try to see if this works. Alright, so
You.
I forgot to buy at the store. I forgot to buy rags. So I'm gonna put some clothes on. Alright, so while I'm letting the oil drain at the bottom, I'm gonna open up the oil filter and replace it. So it's right here. Ew, gross. Filter. Alright, so always replace your O-rings because they always wear out. And make a mess. Throw this away.
Okay. Ooh, it's a lot of oil. Huh?
Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. It was just a short video of me doing an oil change on my car. It's a 2001 BMW 325i. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.